Sarah Catherine the Red here, and today I'm going to show you another DIY, and show you a recipe for at-home charcoal whitening a toothpaste. It's anti-cavity, and I will explain to you why as we go. I'm jumping in my teeth. The first thing we're going to need is coconut oil. All we're gonna do right now is take about as much as I can get out of here. So that's about a tablespoon of coconut oil. Right there, tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay. And I'm going to use a little baking soda. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we've got some activated charcoal powder right here. And we're going to use a nice heaping tablespoon of that. Now we're going to just smush. There we go, charcoal toothpaste. So here's why we used the ingredients for this charcoal toothpaste that we did. So coconut oil can actually kill the bacteria that causes plaque and gum disease and tooth decay in your mouth in a very natural way. And this is something you might already have in your pantry. So of course we're going to use that as one of our main ingredients of our toothpaste. Our second ingredient is our baking soda. And we didn't use a whole lot of baking soda because baking soda can be really abrasive. So we just used a little bit of it. Baking soda is great for absorbing odors, and it also just gives a little bit more of a whitening boost. So the activated charcoal powder is whitening. Now, so storage for this, you can keep this on your counter for, I'd say, a few weeks before you get some more. It's cold in here, so it's all, my coconut oil is hardening. So I get some on my, or just go for it. Check it. And you can totally add mint flavorings, you could add cinnamon flavorings, you could add any sort of flavoring that you want. Just make sure that it's sugar-free, so that way